Be strong and courageous. These are the words that God used to encourage Joshua to lead a nation and to lead families to accomplish God's will. And these words still serve as an encouragement to every man of God to be resolved to lead their families and their church and their community with honor, integrity, and courage to accomplish God's will. Today, I want to encourage every man of God to join me for a special event called Resolved, where we as men of God will be encouraged to be that iron that sharpens iron, to be renewed in our spiritual lives as men of Cicero Christian Church. First, on June the 9th, we would love for you to join us as we gather together with the praying ministry 2C Revival for an on-site hour of prayer for our church and the ministries of this church and for you as a man of God. Now second, on June the 10th, come and be a part of our regular worship services in the morning. But whatever you do, do not miss the Resolved Men's Event, starting at 5:30 p.m., where we will show the Courageous movie and be equipped with a special message that challenges us as men of God to lead with honor and integrity and courage. Our goal is to have over 100 men come to this event. Third, take the next step in your walk with the Lord and increase your courageous leadership just one more degree by attending one of our special studies either on Friday morning or Sunday morning that will equip you to lead more boldly in your family and community. Then finally, attend our Father's Day service, where we as men of God will celebrate what we've learned about courageous leadership and be resolved. Be resolved to lead with honor, integrity, and courage. Be resolved to lead for God's glory in 2012 and beyond.